Hello children, today we are going to study unit number 3 and chapter number 8, that is Delhi. So we also call it as New Delhi. So New Delhi is the national capital of India. It is also called as Delhi. Okay, so it is believed that the city Delhi was first built by Pandavas and they call it as Indraprastha. So after thousands of years, Emperor Shah Jahan rebuilt the city and named it as Shahjahanabad. So Shahjahanabad we can see now also, and we call it as Old Delhi. So New Delhi was planned by Edward Lutyens and Sir Herbert Baker as the capital of India under the British rule. Now let's see the location and government offices. So Delhi is located on the bank of river Yamuna. And Delhi shares its boundary with Uttar Pradesh in the east and Haryana in the west side. But we can see it is the very small part. It shares its boundary with Uttar Pradesh and three sides we can see Haryana. Okay. So it is its location. Delhi is divided into two parts. One is Old Delhi and one more is New Delhi. Delhi is also known as National Capital Territory, that is NCT. And Delhi is the center of the government. So we can see so many offices there. The elected and appointed ministers from all the states meet in the parliament. So we can see parliament in Delhi. So even the president and the prime minister and the other ministers have their offices in New Delhi. So a president of India resides in Rashtrapati Bhavan. So government of other countries also have their offices in New Delhi, which we call it as embassies. Now let's study about economy, utility services and transport services in Delhi. So Delhi shares good trade and relationship with its neighboring states, that is Uttar Pradesh and Haryana. So they have the good relation with their neighboring state. Construction of the buildings, power, telecommunication, health and community services form an integral part of Delhi economy. So construction of buildings, power supply, telecommunication means mobile phones, etc. Health and community services form an integral part of Delhi economy. So Delhi has one of the best educational institutions in India. So we can see educational institutions in Delhi. It also provides one of the best career and other economic opportunities to the people. So we can see lot of career opportunities in Delhi and also economic opportunities in Delhi for the people. The distribution of electricity in Delhi is carried out by government along with companies owned by Tata Power and Reliance Energy. So with the help of the Delhi government, they have merged with other companies like Tata Power and Reliance Energy, and they provide electricity to the Delhi people. The supply of water in Delhi is managed by Delhi Jal Board. So water is supplied by Delhi Jal Board. Its short form is DJB. Public transport services in Delhi are provided by buses, auto rickshaw and local trains. So people use buses, auto rickshaw and local trains to travel from one place to another place. So Delhi Metro, you can see in this picture, it is a Delhi Metro. It is another important and popular means of transport in Delhi. There are both domestic and international airport facilities in Delhi. So Indira Gandhi International Airport is one of the busiest and the most modern airport in Asia. So we can see Indira Gandhi International Airport is one of the busiest and most modern airport in Asia. Climate. So Delhi experiences all the seasons like summer, winter, autumn, spring and monsoon. So here summers are very hot, and in rainy season we can see rain, it is a short. Winters are very cold and it starts in late November. So winters are start in late November and they are very cold in Delhi. Next comes people, culture and food. So Delhi, we can see it is a mixed culture. They follow a mixed culture. People belonging to the different religions, regions and classes live together peacefully. So all over the country, all the people live in Delhi, so that they follow their own culture and they live there peacefully. Every area has a distinct culture and lifestyle. Punjabi and Mughlai food are very popular in Delhi. So we can see Punjabi food and Mughlai food, they are very popular in Delhi. The street foods like chaat, golgappa, aloo tikki, they are also famous in Delhi. And South Indian, Chinese and Western food also very popular in Delhi. Now let's study buildings, monuments, museum and fair. So there are many beautiful buildings we can see in Delhi. So most of the buildings and monuments are very famous in Delhi. Throughout the world, people come to Delhi and see the places which are very beautiful and very attractive to see the monuments. 3 World Heritage Sites, namely Red Fort, Qutub Minar and Humayun's Tomb, are also located in Delhi. So these 3 are very famous. This is Red Fort. We also call it as Lal Killa. This is Qutub Minar and this is Humayun's Tomb. Other beautiful places in Delhi are Jantar Mantar, Lodi Garden or Mughal Garden. So we can see Mughal Garden it is located within the Rashtrapati Bhavan and it is very beautiful. In the month of February and March, people throughout the world come there and see the flowers. India Gate is the one of the popular monument. Rajghat, Bhai Temple or Lotus Temple is a famous temple. Purana Killa, Jama Masjid, Parliament House, Tughlaqabad Fort are the famous monument in Delhi. Akshardhama Temple shows the great Indian culture. It built in the banks of river Yamuna. It lies over an area of 100 acres with beautiful gardens, water fountains and pavilions. So we can see so many museums in Delhi, and some important museums in Delhi are National Rail Museum. So it is a National Rail Museum and it is located in Chanakyapuri. Nehru Planetarium is located in Teen Murti. Students and academicians and local deities visit in this planetarium throughout the year. So there is a doll museum at Bahadur Shah Zafar. Murg has a vast collection of dolls from different parts of the world. So we can see so many different and beautiful dolls in this museum. And there are various fairs that are organized by the Delhi people annually. Every year we can see fairs there. And the most popular fairs are India International Trade Fair, the Auto Expo and the Book Fair, etc. Nowadays, shopping malls become a trend. So all the people of Delhi, they go to shopping mall to shop or purchase new things. Some of the important shopping malls are Pacific Mall and Select City, Walk Mall, etc. So we can see there are so many amusement parks in Delhi. Some of the popular parks in Delhi are Fun and Food Village on Goregaon Road and the Adventure Island in Rithala. Delhi has a blend of different culture that unite the people of the city together. So we can see in Delhi, we can see so many people throughout the world, throughout India, they live there and they follow their own custom and culture, and they unitely stand there and they live their life very beautifully. Thank you.